Okay guys, we're going to differentiate cos over sine. Something to note is that this will appear on our table of standard derivatives as cot. This is what cot is, and we'll find out what cot differentiates to here. So that it can go on our list of standard derivatives by means of the quotient rule. So let's have a go at this then. So fill in the grid. U is the thing on top, V is the thing underneath. Okay, there we go. So du dx then will be minus sine, because cos goes to minus sine. The v dx, sine goes to cos, doesn't it? So we put cos down, and then we can write the answer. So dy dx then is equal to, remember the formula? Just say it again, v du dx minus u du v dx. It's that way around. V du dx, so it's sine x times minus sine x minus u du v dx, cos times cos, over v squared, which is going to be the sine x, sine squared x, yeah? Sine, we got minus sine squared minus cos squared. Let's tidy that up then. Equals minus sine squared x minus cos squared x over sine squared x. Alright then, so that's the answer. But we mentioned it was cot at the beginning, didn't we? And what it differentiates to. Well, you need to use the properties of trigonometric ratios. Sine squared plus cos squared, trig identity there. Sine squared plus cos squared x equals 1. Alright? So minus this, minus that. If you run a minus through the two of them, you get minus this, minus that equals minus 1. So this is minus 1. Minus 1 over sine squared. And I know it gets a bit convoluted here, but minus 1 over sine squared can be written as minus 1 over sine. A little bit of algebra needed there. That squared, alright? Which equals minus cosec. Sorry, the minus is there. There we go, minus cosec squared x. There we go. That's what we write. Cosec is 1 over sine. So let me just run you through that again very briefly, because I've messed it up slightly. Here's the answer. And we can write that in this form. Minus sine squared minus cos squared over sine squared. This thing here is just the minus of this, which is minus 1. So I can replace that by minus 1 over sine squared. Now this thing here can be written as minus. There's the minus for there. That's nothing there. That's just a 1. Alright. So we've got, and then the 1 over sine squared can actually be written as 1 over sine bracket squared, because when you square this, you'll get 1 squared on top, which is 1, and you'll get the sine squared. So you can write this like that. And the reason you do that is because you can replace 1 over sine by cosec. Yeah, and then you've basically got cosec squared, which we write like this, because cosec is 1 over sine. Alright then, so that gives us our rule for our derivatives then, that cot d by dx of cot x, it differentiates to minus cosec squared. So that's why you see it on the list of standard derivatives. It's a standard derivative, cot goes to minus cosec squared. We just use the quotient rule here to verify that that's the case. Alright then, that's 9 done. I know I've dragged it out. Here's the answer as far as differentiating quotient is concerned though. And you could put that if you wished, if you knew a trig identity there. Okay, let's go on to the next one.